got a the boys in the way can't even show. That's what it's nosy. It's good. Down to 2020. Got a carrier. Focus. There you go. Has to go for fan goes to just now on it. There you go to the big one kind of. For fan goes it's hard to see inside these. Got a big blanket. Top open. Got a comfort. Got a comfort fan boots. It'll be nosy when it's running. These are stray clothes. That's why they're not money. It's because today's a nice day. This is from 2018. Wait, Emerson compressor. Another Mitsubishi rucksack. No, it's not money. This is a newer one than the other one. Where is the data on this? I guess today she's missing. Oh, here it is. It's right here. Yeah. There's the she on the counter.
Can't tell.
That's from 2000. This one is the same. Yeah.
Oh, these kills like 2000.
Yeah, I think it's great. Very strong. Still on.
That sounds weird.
Here's the Payne again. There's more down here. Oh, there are the fleet trains over there.
Here's the Trane XLs again.
They're XL49s.
Oh yeah, the XL49s. The last one is in the scenic Trane logo.
Start getting a little cookie down here. I don't put the date on these because the door is open. I'll just look at them quick. The one for the care base model.
It's got a hack dog.
Got a blanket.
It's kill your base model.
Couple in school. Oh, got a mini American Standard. I don't think I've ever filled an American Standard like this. It's a heat pump.
Whoa, look how small this thing is.
I don't know if it's money.
No way.
Focus. Focus.
Oh, the sticker?
This one is not what a focus is.
The sticker on the logo is almost all gone.
At the side will go. And that crowd does not want to focus. It's side there. And there's a 1X value left there. Or 1XT class.
It's almost all gone.
One XT class right here, but I can't get to this one because of the fence. I can just look at it from here. There's sheep maybe on that back side. And there's the right side on it. Oh, this is Fortnite 6. Savannah Purping is in there.
That's scary.
Oh yeah, it's from August 19th. August of 1906.
Look, the sticker on the side.
Oh, there you go. Now it's focusing. It's got a fat cow top compressor inside it.
Sticker on the side logo's almost
Okay,
all gone. That's weird.
Motor's so rusty.
Well, the top logo on it's just nice. Next up one, we're gonna kill the base model then. Maybe we will see the KLU Texas.
Look, there's the end of this model. It is very faded.
But the KLU Texas are all the way down there.
And the one bird. Oh, it's actually gone. It's a pair on units. I'm gonna get the sun on the film. Here are the feed trains. Gotta go.
LP score compressor.
Partition motor. Oh, this thing shut up. Here are these carriers again. And this comfort. This one came on. This one. Oh, is that functioning now? Watch it shut down. Yeah, there you go. Just turn back off. Oh, that part broke the coil guard.
Yeah.
And that's it.
Oh, it's also past that on